99% of Roblox developers fail, and it's not because they're bad. They make one big mistake. They try to build a huge game, too early. Big map, complex scripts, and then, they quit. Smart devs do this instead. They start small, one simple idea, like a jump game, hobby, or simulator. Finish it fast, then improve. That's how you actually grow. Want to escape the 99%? Start small. Not small forever, small to start. Because small games equals fast learning. Fast learning equals real progress. So here's what you do today. Pick one simple idea. Build it. Finish it. Don't make it perfect. Just make it done. Your first game will be bad. Your second, still bad. But your fifth? That's where things change. The difference between the 99% and the 1% is simple. One keeps quitting. The other keeps finishing. So if you want to escape the 99%, start small, finish fast, and don't stop.